Hello everyone, welcome to our Chapter 10 chapter review and practice quiz. I will be going over page 343 and 344 of your chapter review, and then I will be prompting you through your practice quiz on page 345 and 346. If it's easier for you, you can pull these pages out of the book. Let's get started. Most of you will have already completed this page by yourself, so you can just go through and check your answers. If not, you can complete it as you're following along. Number 1, circle the answer that shows a fact family. Remember, a fact family should only have 3 numbers, so one way to check is to make your triangle and put the numbers inside the triangle. If there are more than 3 numbers, it is not a fact family. I see the numbers 7, 4, and 11. 7, 4, and 11. 7, 4, 11. 7, 4, 11. This looks like a fact family to me. Now let's check the other one. I see 6, 5, and 11. 6, 5, 11. 4, 6, 11. I see more than 3 numbers here, so this is not a fact family. Circle the answer that shows a fact family. You can circle the letter or the whole group. Number 2. Draw the missing dots to show a double. Remember, a double is when the addends are the same. Write the doubles fact. We know that the answer is going to be 16, so we have to think of what doubles fact adds to 16. Great. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Eight plus 8. I know this is correct because you can count the dots to count 16, and we know that the addends are the same, so it is a doubles fact. Number 3, 12. What doubles fact adds to 12? Awesome. 6 plus 6. Number 4. This is practicing making a 10 to add. 9 plus 2. We have 9, and we're going to draw 2 more. So we know 9 plus 2 is 11, because 9 plus 1 plus 1. So blank plus 1 is 11. We know 10 plus 1 is 11. 9 plus 4. The first step is to draw the counters of what you are adding. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. We're making a 10 to add. 9 plus 1 plus 3 is also the same as 10 plus 3. At any point, if you need to check your answers or need more help, you can pause the video. Now on to the back. Complete the fact family. Now remember, there can only be 3 numbers in the fact family. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 3 plus 9 equals 12. Those are turnaround facts because you can add in any order. You cannot subtract in any order, though. Twelve minus 3 is 9, and 12 minus 9 is 3. That's one way you can check your answers to make sure you have it in the subtraction sentence and as the difference. Add the doubles, then subtract. Remember, these are related facts. 7 plus 7 is 14, so we know 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4, so we know 4 minus 2 is 2. Find each missing number. 12 minus 5. Now this is a review, so you can use a number line, count backwards, draw dots, whatever strategy that you find most helpful. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. 14 minus 9. I could count backwards, or I could count from 9 to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5. Now this is a missing addend. If you're not sure how to do this, you can also turn this into a subtraction sentence. 12 minus 5 equals, nice job, 7. These are related facts. 14 minus 9 is 5, so 9 plus 5 is 14. Write the ways to make the number. You're coming up with 2 addends that add to 15. For example, 10 plus 5. One way that might help you do this is with counters. Nine and 6, or 8 and 7. You might have come up with a couple of other options as well. Last one, nice job, boys and girls. Adam hung 8 pictures in 2 rows. I see a number. He hung 4 pictures in the top row. How many did he hang in the bottom row? I'm going to draw a picture to help me solve this. Adam hung 8 pictures in 2 rows. He hung 4 pictures in the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we know there are 8 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 because I know 4 plus 4 is 8. So how many did they hang in the bottom row? 4. You can go back and check your answer if you'd like, because we know there was supposed to be 2 rows, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. Nice job completing our chapter review. If there was anything during that video that you need extra help with, we can Zoom call, or you can go back into your book and look at some more examples. We are now going to do our practice quiz to see if you're ready for the test tomorrow. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Also, remember, it's helpful if to track your answers if you want to cover up the bottom part so that you're just focusing on the problem you're on. Number 1. Which shows a doubles fact? Which domino shows a doubles fact? Number 2. Which number sentence is a related fact to 11 minus 7 equals 4? At the end, we'll go back and I will show you the answers. Right now, you're just following along. Please put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Number 4. Which number sentence is related to 7 plus 5 equals 12? What other number sentence also equals 10? What other number sentence also equals 10? If I continued this pattern on number 6, what number would come next? 30, 40, 50, 60. What number would come next? Okay, I'm now going to go back and show you the answers for the first page. Number 1, this is a doubles fact. You can give yourself a check or a star if you got it right, and if you got it wrong, you can circle it so you know what concepts to go back to and review. Number 2, 11 minus 4 equals 7 is a related fact. It would be in the same fact family. This is showing the numbers from smallest to biggest. 12, 16, 24, 36. We know 36 is the biggest number, so this would not be a choice. "12 minus 7 equals 5 is related to 7 plus 5 equals 12. 6 plus 4 also equals 10. And 70 would come next in this number pattern. Great job. All right, let's do the back. This is a mixture of review of past chapters and some things from this chapter. Find the clock that shows 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Number 8. What is the answer that this timeline, this number line shows? Number 9. Add these 3 digits together. Find the sum. Number 10. Which number sentence matches this domino? Number 11. Ty found 6 shells. Luis found 8 shells. How many did they find in all? You can make a number line to help you. You can draw a picture. You could use counters or a number line. You can draw dots. Whatever strategy is the most helpful for you. Jade has 13 stars. She gave some to Kai. Now she has 8 left. How many stars did Jade give Kai? Now, remember, this is finding a difference. So would that be addition or subtraction? Remember, subtraction always has to start with the biggest number. All right, now let's review the answers on this page. Number 7, find the clock that shows 5 o'clock. Find the sum that the number line shows. 6 plus 1, 2, 3 is 9. Find the sum of these 3 digits. We know 7 plus 3 is 10. That's a friendly 10. Plus 1 is 11. Find the number sentence that matches the domino. How many did they find in all? So we know that this is an addition sentence. 6 plus 8. What is 6 plus 8? Nice job. 14. We found 14 shells. Last one. Jade has 13 stars. Now she gave some to Kai. Now she has 8 left. How many stars did Jade give Kai? 13 minus 8. Great job. 5 stars. Jade gave Kai 5 stars. Nice job completing the chapter review and practice quiz. You guys are going to do great on your test tomorrow. Please let me know if you have any questions. Awesome work!